Dream breakers. Manchester United's unbeaten run comes to an abrupt halt against the unlikeliest of teams. Mick McCarthy's men have summoned some of that Kenny Miller spirit from 7 years ago. They're blooded, they're bruised, and Manchester United are beaten. After Nani's early goal for Manchester United, the team at the bottom of the Barclays Premier League have turned it around and beaten the team at the top. Alakobi, Doyle have turned this into one of Wolves' most famous days.
Blow your whistle, here's Rooney, delivering into the penalty area, Hennessy catches, dives on the ball, holds it in, that must be it, it must be it, it is! Wolves have the most famous of Premier League victories. United have sung 29 games unbeaten, couldn't make it 30. Yes. Take that, Fergie, take that, Charlton, take that, United, take that. Wolves have won the game. Absolutely unbelievable. I'm about to explode. I must be dreaming. I'm in heaven, Dennison's in heaven, and Wolves are definitely in heaven.
Wolves with faith in Mick McCarthy. Mick, the Beau Brummel of the Premiership. Deshabillé, dressed by Oxfam on the touchline, bespoke tailored on interview.
We'll all be nervous, anxious, worried about futures, able to see what it means if we win and stay in the Premier League. We all know that.
Long punt forward by the goalkeeper. Can Wolves do what Blackburn did to them? It's Hunt!